Hello friends, our today's topic is pen pouch. We are going to learn how to make a pen pouch using this felt cloth. First, we will fold the felt cloth horizontally, corner to corner. And cut it in two equal halves. If you are not sure, then you can use a scale, measure and then mark and then draw a line to get a center and cut your felt cloth. So cut the felt cloth horizontally in two equal halves. Now the first part will be part A and the second will be part B. Take the first part and draw a design of your choice. So we will draw a design, or maybe I'll just write some letter. And I will embroider this using stem stitch. You know how to do the stem stitch, so I will not show you this step. Now put the design part or the embroidered part below and place the second part over this. Slightly fold. Now our pen pouch is going to be like this, right? So this is the second part where we are going to fold this and cut this. So basically we cut part B. Now we are going to stitch both these parts together using hemming stitch. So we'll start the hemming stitch. See that you firmly hold both the pieces together. We have learned how to do the hemming stitch in our previous class, so we will follow that step and stitch both the pieces on all the corners except this corner. So see, we have stitched both the parts A and B together using the hemming stitch on all the four sides. This is only on this side we have not done hemming stitch. This is like a pocket. This is the front side. Now the initial letter that I have drawn, I have embroidered it with stem stitch. So I've used my initial letter of my name. If you want, you can draw a design and then embroider it. Now we'll put hemming stitch on this edge. See that you put the needle from the hollow part. This step is just a decorative part so that it looks good. So now our pencil pouch or your pen pouch is ready. See, this is the way we are going to keep the stationery inside. But now we have made a flap. We are going to close this and we are going to tack a button. We've learned how to tack a button in the previous class. So once you tack a button, your button will be seen from here. So this is the center. Just mark it over here. Push it nicely so that you get a marking over here. Now we'll tack a button over here from inside. Secure your stitch with a knot from the inside part. If you feel that this is a bit uncomfortable, then what you can do is you can secure the button before stitching part B on part A with the hemming stitch. So that is also something that you can do. Then you can comfortably stitch a button. But I would prefer like this because then we have the perfect measurement. Now this is where a button is going to come. What we will do is we will give a tiny cut. See, I'm going to put a slit like this. I'll just draw here like this. I'm going to cut a slit on the line. See that you don't cut very big, because then afterwards the button will slip out. See, I've made a slit like this. Just check if your button is passing through it, and there, your pen pouch is now ready.